Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to show you about top interesting and cool gadgets. This budget magnetic 3x3 is crispier and more stable thanks to the introduction of unique magnetic elements. We have introduced 48 neodymium magnets of suitable strength at various strategic locations in the cube, arranged in a way to ensure precise symmetric pattern while rotation. Multifunctional spy camera with 32GB memory card, video, audio, photo recording. Use it for secret video, sound and video recording or as a portable memory flash drive. Of course, you could use it as a normal pen. The MagBulb is very affordable solution that can save your money also. According to the Peripheral, the changing of the light bulb costs average $50 and with MagBulb you can change light bulb quickly and without extra cost. Glasses is great for using a laptop or reading a book in bed while lying flat. Changing the sight perspectives of wearer, breaking the rules of watching things, allowing users watch the images in front of them naturally, conveniently, comfortably and distinctly in a lying position, fit for men and women, extremely beneficial to people's physical and mental health.